Hey, what's up? It's Sifu Kuttel, and in this video, I want to share two exercises that I think are very valuable for training with the tiger fork. Now, if you saw my video where I talked about the history of the tiger fork and talking about how it's used in forms and how it's trained, there was a big emphasis on spinning the weapon. And I mentioned in the video that spinning does provide some tactical advantage, that it can be a little bit unpredictable when attacking. It can also help for leveraging and catching and trapping an opponent's weapon. But even more so, just the practice of spinning the weapon builds up your wrist strength, your wrist flexibility, your forearm strength, and your grip strength overall, which is really important, especially if you are trying to catch and trap an opponent's weapon. So here are two exercises. We use the single grip or the forward grip where we're going to have a lot of reach, and then also the double end grip where thumbs are pointing towards each other. This is for more leverage. Okay, real simple. Let's get to work. So for our first exercise, we're going to grab with the double end grip, and you're going to bring it up from your shoulders down to the hips. And all we're going to do is just bring the weapon up and down. Now we are going to be doing this in a horse stance position. So just hold the stance. Make sure thumbs are pointing towards each other, and then we're going to spin as we bring the weapon up and as we bring it back down. Now you'll notice that there's a different driver for the hands. So when we bring it up, it's going to be our front hand. When we bring it back down, it's going to be mostly from our back hand. Of course, both hands are involved. It's just one is going to be a main driver on this one. Okay, so simply just raise and then back down. Okay, and we'll do 10 of these. 1, down. 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're going to change the grip over to single end style. So our thumbs are pointing in the same direction. And we're going to work on extending the weapon and then pulling back. Now you'll find for the majority of this, the driver is our back hand, but our front hand has to be evolved just as well. So we're going to extend out, pull back, extend out, pull back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there you have it. Two really simple exercises, but very important exercises. Now, there are other ways that you can use this to spin. You can do the contact juggling style. You can do just the grip transfer to another grip, but they're all rooted in these two techniques. And I think this is super important no matter what style of martial art you do. If you're doing any kind of tiger fork training, these are really important exercises to develop that grip strength, that wrist and forearm strength as well. So work on these. You'll notice as you do them, you are going to get stronger, so you can start increasing the reps. You can work with the weight and leverage of the staff as well to give you a little more, and you can always switch hands so that you can balance it out with the backhand as well. So a lot of options that you can do here. You'll notice that your spins start going a little bit longer. That's always a sign of progress. And of course, if you're doing forms training, you're going to see the direct benefit there. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take the time to work on this. Really, the secret to getting good at anything is practice and focused practice. And doing some training like this is a great way to warm up and then do some extra training with the tiger fork, and you'll really develop your martial arts altogether. All right, I'd love to hear what you think about this one. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next.